Bye, Mama.
Bye.
Stand here.
Okay.
Here.
Good morning.
Hey, stop right there.
Bye-bye. Yes.
What's up mga momshies? Mami Rafi here with the guys. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa ating lahat dyan sa ating bansang Pilipinas at sa buong mundo kung saan maraming Pilipino. Ayan. Today nga pala, ang kaarawan ni Ferez. But unfortunately, hindi kami makakapag-celebrate dahil nga merong pumanaw sa pamilya, and with respect na rin sa family, yun yung tradition nila. Pagka may pumanaw sa isa sa mga pamilya, hindi pina-priority ang pagsa-celebrate. And yun nga, isa pa rin sa reason, panggabi siya. So, kaalis lang niya. Kaya, ang gagawin ko na lang, magbe-bake na lang ako ng chocolate cake. Total din naman ang lagi niyang hinahanap-hanap ang chocolate cake. So, hindi naman bonggang-bongga. Basta may blow lang siya na cake. Actually, dito nga, yun, ganun lang eh. Hindi sila naghahanda ng heavy dishes. Hindi kagaya sa atin, di ba, na pagka mayroong birthday, talaga may pansit, mayroong lumpia, kung ano-anong ulam. Pero dito, alam niyo, nagulat ako kasi ang birthday party, kahit yung mga bata, sweets lang, yung jelly, may custard, yung may mga maliliit na cupcake, tsaka yung hot cake, ganun. Basta may anything sweets, yun na yung pang party nila. Ganun lang dito. Tsaka cake, solve na ang lahat. Solve na ang lahat, kaya ngayon, yun na lang ang gagawin ko. Magbe-bake na lang ako ng cake. Okay? Samahan niyo ako. Ayan. So, dito sa mixed chocolate mixture natin, naglagay lang ako ng 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Right? And sa ating liquid naman, gumamit ako ng 2 cups of water and half cup of oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Yan, halo-halo lang tayo and make sure na wala na siyang lumps bago natin siya ilagay sa ating preheated oven around 180 degrees. Ayan. Actually, itong mixture na to, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin for cupcakes. Wala siyang egg, hindi ko siya ginamitan ng egg. So, tsaka yung mga ingredients natin, madali na rin siyang hanapin. Tsaka, dilagyan ko pala siya ng 3/4 cup of cocoa. Ayan, cocoa. Bago ko makalimutan. Chocolate cake nga, diba? Ayan. So, I think pwede na to. Nagbubble pa na siya. Okay. Okay, pwede na natin siyang i-transfer sa ating pan. Actually, wala akong ganong gamit sa pagbe-bake dito. But, yung mga ginagamit ko naman na recipe, katanggap-tanggap sa mga sa pagluluto. Wait lang. Okay, kung wala kayong parchment paper, ayan, gumamit lang ako ng white paper dito para hindi dumikit yung ilalim. Okay. Yan. Tanggalin natin yung top lang natin para umangat yung bubbles niya. Okay. Lagay na natin sa oven. So, etong cake na to, it might take around 40 to 45 minutes. It depends. So, para natin, i-test natin siya through toothpick kung okay na. Yung gitna kung okay na. So, let's wait. Yan mga moms, let's see kung luto ng ating chocolate cake. Let's see. Okay, good. Alright. I think we're done. Alright. Ayan. Ngayon, let it cool na lang here on the side. Para mamaya, lagyan na lang natin siya ng ganache. Okay, so sa ganache naman na ginawa ko, ganito siya. So, it's a half cup of cocoa, half cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 cup of fresh milk. Ayan. Kung wala naman kayong fresh milk, pwede naman kayong gumawa ng powdered milk. And then, measure nyo na lang lagyan nyo na lang ng liquid. But make sure it's like 1 cup, ganun. Para yung smoothness niya, hindi siya magbuo-buo. So, i-mix muna natin siya hanggang mag-incorporate yung mixture na walang lumps. Para pag niluto natin siya, mas maganda, smooth, diba? See? Look at that. Alright, this is enough. Okay. You see how nice is our ganache. And
Mama, your cooking is amazing.
I am amazing.
Yes, you're cooking.
O, diba? Ang galing mambola ng ng baby girl namin. Oh, yan. Ayan mga moms, natapos ko rin yung ating pa-birthday na chocolate cake. Ayan. Hindi naman tayo pro na baker, so
Mama, look.
effort lang. Yes, baby. So, effort. A for tayo dito. Ayan. Diba? Ang shiny ng ganache natin. Ayan. Ginawa ko rin ng maliit. Sinaya. Cupcake. Yan. Kasi gusto niya, meron din siya sarili niyang binoblow na cake. Kaya gumawa ako ng sarili ko. So, now that it's done, sabi ni Firas, uwi siya ng maaga, kahit panggabi siya ngayon, I think, mabait talaga si Jade, yung kanyang supervisor. Pag may occasion, wala siya sinasabi. Pero ganun talaga sila actually. Pagka meron, si Jade kasi, he is a college student as well and taking up some exams. Nung meron siyang exams at kinailangan niyang mag-review for 4 months, 3-4 months, I think. Talagang halos hindi rin nag-off si Firas. Tsaka most of the time nandun siya talaga sa sa store nila. Kaya bigayan talaga sila. So, hopefully, sa birthday ko naman, makapag-off din siya. And I don't know kung meron ba siyang pa-surprise or whatsoever. I'm not expecting, but ang importante sa akin, magkasama kami. Yun lang. Magkakasama kami tatlo. Dahil ito yung unang year na talaga magkakasama kami to celebrate yung mga importanteng occasion. Diba? So, handa ko lang sandali. Come here. Come here.
When he came in, the ant wasn't there. Because he was outside.
Wait lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Make a wish.
Make a wish?
Hopefully, God will give brother for Nura. You want that? Wow, this is yours.
That's
Yalla.
your birthday wish? Wait. You and Papa will
Blow it.
blow it. Yan natin. Come here on the other side. Dito ka.
One,
Come here.
2,
3.
Wow. Make it so.
I love you, Papa.
Thank you so much.
Sandwich.
Wow.
And also balloon.
Yay! Look, yeah, Papa, how we do the balloon. Like this. You hold it like this. Come, I will teach you. Come. Okay, you put your other hand here. No, here, like that. No, like this. Do it like this, okay? No, don't. You hold it with the other one, with this one. You hold. Okay, and this one like that. Yalla. Press it down. Boom.
Release.
We give you 2 birthdays.
Yes, you are waiting that so much. And your birthday, I will make for you 3 birthday. Yeah.
Okay, you and Papa cut the
Yalla.
cake.
Let's turn it like that for the good luck. Okay. Make a wish. What is your wish? We will have baby boy, brother for Nura. Inshallah.
Because the baby boy protect me.
Yes, and Papa protect you also.
Hello.
Oh,
I don't know where she learned all of this.
oh.
Wow.
No? Which one for me?
Here, this one for you.
So yummy.
Taste it first. It's for you. You taste it first.
You make it. You get tired.
Got to eat.
Mm.
And these.
I love you, Papa.
come. Let's do that on your nose. No, on your nose. Opa! For me. On my nose.
A little bit.
Stop. Swear.
There's nothing.
Don't go like this.
Look on camera what I did for you. Look. Go there and see. See your nose.
Don't do you by yourself.
You.
I put it like
Huh?
this.
Do to mama. Wow.
That's right. It's a puppet theater.
Nice.
So, take a chair and sit down, please. The show is
It's
about
tasty, Baba. Take care. Sit down. Sit down.
Be careful. Sit down, baby, please.
Mm.
Here, put it here, baby.
Put here and eat slowly, Baba.
wonderful.
Mm.
Show. Let's all clap. Bravo!
Get surprise?
Yeah, it's so nice. And thank you, everybody. And thank you for your comments, for your sharing, for watching us, and for your likes. Thank you all. Love you all.